What's up, witches? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome. We are going to do an inked goddess creation box unboxing. This is a subscription service. You get one box a month. She usually bills you between the 1st and the 3rd of every month. Then you get your box. Today's the 10th. You're going to be seeing this on the 11th. But I usually get my box no later than the 10th. Sometimes a little earlier. So, I took oh, that's the cheat card. So there's what I'm seeing. All right. I'm going to set this down. Let me pull you down a little bit. All right, so first on the top, it looks like it might be a journal. Let me see. Oh, and it's lined. Okay. It's pretty thick. And it's lined paper. A nice little journal. Let's see what... If I can find my glasses, I'll read to you what it says. It says Pentacle Branch, friendly notebook, eco-friendly notebook. Record your thoughts, spells, dreams, and more in this cute journal. Made of sustainable materials, a branch pentacle design on the front. Add protective energy to your writings while adding a wild witch vibe. Loving it. All right, so we got paper. This is what I'm looking at. All right, something's smelling good here. All right, so I'll pull this out, and this is Avalon soap, Morgan's favorite. Oh, it smells good. Magical scent of apple rose. I follow the Morgan, so I'm really liking that. All right, let's see. Avalon soap, Morgan's favorite. This apple and rose scented soap is inspired by the mythical Isle of Apples called Avalon. Inked Goddess Creations carried this soap a few years ago, so Morgan brought it back for this box. It smells really good. There's the label. It has the little window. It's a nice size bar. And that's what it... Ooh, nice. Okay. So we got the soap. Alright, so we got the candle. I'm sorry, guys. I just have to read through here real quick. Molly's favorite wild votive. Which votive scent chose you? There are 4 possible scents. So I got green, which is Green Witch. And the other possible scents are Roots would have been brown, Shadow would have been black, Green Witch was green, or Magic purple. And I'm digging the Green Witch because I'm totally that. Alright, so got Wildwood hand-rolled Masala incense sticks. Ooh, okay. Alright. This unique blend of coffee, licorice, sandalwood, and vanilla awaken the wild witch within you. I can dig it. I got this. Oh, something's jiggling. Oh, I love wind chimes. Look how pretty. Alright, moon phase wind chime. Created for this box, this wind chime helps purify negative energy with sound. It can be hung outside to cleanse energy as you walk into your home, or inside of your sacred space where you can ring it as needed to cleanse energy. And it's a really nice sound. That's probably going to go out on my porch in the spring, summer, and fall, and then in the house during the winter. Alright, so there's that. Alright, so the next thing I'm pulling out is this burlap sack. It smells good. Okay. Ooh. Okay. It's a necklace. It's a pentacle branch necklace. Pentacles symbolize the union of the 5 elements: earth, air, fire, water, and spirit, as well as protection from negative energy. This pentacle branch necklace also amplifies grounding earth energy when worn. Very pretty. So, we want some grounding earth energy? Hell yeah. Okay. Now, this last, it's a crystal. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. So, how pretty that is. All the unique markings on it. It's a Kambaba Jasper mini point, a great stone for grounding and connecting with earth energy. You can hold this when you need to de-stress, make it the center of a grounding crystal grid, and so much more. Look how pretty that is. Very nice. And then last but not least, here's her card, by the way, that's crumpled. I don't know why that would be crumpled in there. There's the card. If you guys want to order a box. So, you get, every month you get 3 or more cards. So this one, one of them talks about the Kambaba Jasper Mini Tower. Holds ancient knowledge within, connecting you to the earth's grounding energy. This nurturing gemstone is a fantastic guide as you move through your life's path. Hold during meditation. Place on money altar to draw in money and prosperity. Use it when you need calming energy. Hold it during journaling to access inner ancient wisdom. Place in your pocket. Taking walks to connect with nature. Use to balance your root and heart chakra. And I'm not going to read all these to you. Wind chime magic. You can pause if you want to read that. And natural altar. Okay, so we got the 3 cards. The Wild Witch Votive. The Jasper, which is absolutely stunning. The necklace. The soap. The incense. The wind chime, which to me looks like an upside down tulip. And the journal. I think I'm going to keep this out on my porch when spring comes, because I do like to journal and read and all that good stuff out there. So, That was the Ink Goddess Creation box. And this is all their information. Oh, my box costs $35 a month. And that includes the shipping. And I have not received a bad box. Like one where I was really super disappointed or anything. And so far, nothing's come broken. And everything feels like good energy on it. And I really look forward to getting these boxes every month. So, go on over to the Ink Goddess Creations and check her out if you're interested in a subscription box. Oh, my crazy hair. It's the Wild Witch in me. All right. Well, you guys have a blessed and magical day. And remember, don't let anyone tame your spirit. Bye.